The Michelin CrossClimate 2 versus the Hankook Kinergy GT, a true all-season showdown between winter-ready innovation and classic everyday comfort. One tyre carries the three-peak mountain snowflake, engineered for real winter capability and year-round versatility. The other stays true to the traditional all-season formula, focusing on dry comfort, quietness, and practical value. Let's find out which tyre truly delivers the better daily drive. The results in this video are expressed in percentages, with the Michelin CrossClimate 2 set as the reference point at 100%. The results sourced are coming from Discount Tyres treadwear testing data. In wet braking, the Michelin stops 10 feet shorter, delivering a 6% advantage in emergency stopping distance. That's a meaningful rear-wheel safety gap, especially during sudden highway braking in heavy rain. For wet handling, the Michelin scores 1 full point higher, translating to about a 5% advantage in cornering confidence and grip. Overall, the CrossClimate 2 delivers stronger wet safety and control, while the Kinergy GT provides acceptable wet performance but sits one step behind the outright security. Winter performance. This is where the gap becomes massive. In winter capability, the Michelin scores 2.5 points higher, giving it a roughly 12% advantage in snow and cold weather usability. The CrossClimate 2 operates in a completely different league thanks to its three-peak mountain snowflake design and all-weather compound. The Kinergy GT, as a traditional all-season, delivers only basic light snow capability. Overall, Michelin offers true year-round usability, while Hankook is best suited for mild climates. When it comes to tread life, Michelin pulls far ahead. The CrossClimate 2 is rated 23,000 more miles, delivering a massive 42% advantage in projected lifespan. That's a significant ownership benefit, fuel replacement, and lower cost per mile over time. On dry roads, the story becomes more balanced. In dry braking, Michelin stops 4 feet shorter, giving it a small 3% advantage in straight-line stopping security. But in dry handling field, the Hankook scores 0.5 points higher, translating to roughly a 3% advantage in steering response and sporty engagement. In refinement, the Hankook takes the lead. For cabin noise, the Kinergy GT scores 0.5 points higher, giving it about a 2% advantage in quietness. Ride comfort shows the same trend, another 0.5 point lead, equal to roughly a 2% advantage in bump absorption and smoothness. In fuel consumption, Michelin regains the advantage. With a 1 point higher rating, the CrossClimate 2 delivers about a 5% advantage in fuel efficiency. When it comes to pricing, here's where Hankook makes its strongest case. The Kinergy GT delivers 26% price advantage over the Michelin. In summary, the Michelin CrossClimate 2 stands out with shorter wet braking, massive winter advantage, far longer tread life, and better fuel efficiency. It's the ideal choice if you want one tyre to handle everything: rain, cold, and long-distance ownership. The Hankook Kinergy GT, on the other hand, delivers better comfort, quieter driving, and more engaging dry handling at a much lower price, making it perfect for urban drivers in mild climates who prioritize smooth everyday driving.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.